Hello everyone. It's a 4th of July weekend. We thought it'd be the perfect time to show you a town called Hippie Town. That's not its real name, but that's what they call it.
We also thought that while we're doing that, because we knew exactly where we wanted to go, that we would just ride through some towns, small towns, and just kind of see the flavor of how they decorate for 4th of July.
Some flag waving, some fireworks going off maybe. Who knows?
We have no idea what to expect.
Come along with us. It's going to be a fun ride, guys. I know the first place we're going to stop, though.
Where?
Where else?
Not Buc-ee's.
No.
Oh, okay.
Madison, Indiana.
Oh, that's right. We are going to go there.
There's a reason.
We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure. We've been to Madison a lot of times, but we have never been for this.
Okay, don't give it away.
Well, I'm not going to give it away.
You sound like you're about to give it away.
Well, I'm really excited.
I know you're excited, but you're going to give it away.
Okay, I won't give it away. I'm done talking now.
Okay, the one thing I know is parking in this town is probably going to be non-existent. Well, no parking anywhere really.
Maybe we should have ridden a motorcycle.
Oh yeah, hindsight's 2020. Yeah, we could squeeze that thing in anywhere here.
We could have, but you know, as we were thinking about it though, we've got a long drive ahead of us.
Yeah, like 5 hours.
Yeah, we would have had to stop.
So, yeah. We could not pass through Madison without stopping for the regatta. The Madison Regatta is an annual hydroplane boat race. It's held on the Ohio during the Independence Day weekend. But wait, there's more. It also includes the Rooster Tail Music Festival, pageants, and other fun things to do. There's one of the boats sideways, getting ready for the big race tomorrow. It's so crowded in this town right now. Set up for the 4th of July. What row seat?
We think there evidently is a parade. Maybe even they're going to bring the cars on the the boats on the trailers down this road. We just don't know. Unfortunately, we're not here to stay for this. We are heading someplace else.
As always, when we come to Madison, we've got to look at the architecture. Look at this. Man. Love this stuff.
More chairs. Hey, a little bit more people, actually. We think that people evidently bring their chairs down here. You think?
I don't think the city provides them.
No.
They come from somewhere.
But it goes for miles.
Everybody's pretty trusting. I'll bring my chair, no problem.
Well, that's all about what this town is. I truly believe this is a town. This is a true community of people.
It's like Hometown USA used to be.
Oh yeah, I would say so, definitely.
You might be wondering why we're not videoing any of the regatta. It's because it costs several $100s to go to it. And it's not on the budget, so.
But we were able to see the town today. We love Madison, Indiana.
We do. And for those of you who saw the movie Hoosiers, we are in Milan, Indiana.
Basketball Town, USA. We do not know how to pronounce this town.
For those of you who might not have seen the movie Hoosiers, it's all about their basketball championship that they had back in 1954. Most of the movie, though they say the high school was used in the movie, most of it was evidently filmed in New Richmond, Indiana. There's a high school. We're not sure this is the one they used in the movie. It looks awfully new. If you guys know for sure, would you put it down in the comments and let us know? We'd really appreciate it. And got a little bit of history for those of you who do like the movie Hoosiers. This is the Milan 54 Hoosiers Museum. Or is it Milan? Milan. There you go.
We're coming up on a place where they can give us a lot more information.
Now that's a plaque worthy of a screenshot.
We are just now leaving.
Milan.
We don't want to make fun of the city.
Well, we're not making fun of it. We're making fun that we don't know how to say it.
We are going to put the camera down now for a little while. Enjoy the ride to the true gem of today's drive.
You got it. Okay, gotta make a quick pit stop. Look at this across the road. Don't know if we can go down there. Oh my goodness. That is some historic stuff. Okay, gotta stop for this one. Just so you know, it's 4th of July. We're looking for a 4th of July kind of town. I think we found it. So is this 4th of July enough for you?
Yeah, but you know what? It's closed. Pretty much everything's closed up.
It doesn't matter. It's 4th of July and it looks cool.
It is, and every light pole has a flag. We've been trying to just ride around, and with everything going on in our country, this is neat to see a town that has 4th of July decorations.
To add to it, look at this. Wellington's Ice Cream Palace. We don't think it's open yet. But when you look at the acoustics, it's going to be awesome when it does open. What'd you find?
This is another town where you can stand in the middle of the road.
Look at this. Look at the architecture.
We're just gonna walk in the middle of the road right now.
Yeah, we're just gonna walk.
It's the 4th of July. The birds are flying over our head.
And we're hoping the birds aren't gonna be pooping on our heads either.
Most of these towns that we come to, whether it's in Kentucky, it's just like that whole belt kind of by the Appalachian Mountains and all through. Of course, we're a little bit to the side of it, but they always kind of come down a hill and get into the old town. These places, you can't make these places up. They are just so unique.
Look at the effort they put into their streets and crosswalks. That is beautiful. Hey hon, check this out. Check this out. Can you see the ghost riding up there? Look at that. That is so cool. Skipping the fact we've got all this great architecture, it's Walter's Photography Gallery. That's what it says. I had to see what it said.
Okay, without telling you where we're going, of course I gotta catch us first because I just really love this alley. Is this not the coolest thing ever? Okay, so without telling you where we're going, there's a little bit of a kind of giveaway right here of what the town is kind of. Oh, look at this squirrel. It's a teddy bear. Yeah, so this is a side one. This was another town that we just decided to stop in. You know, Jim was like, we gotta get going. It's like 5 o'clock. We still have another 2 hours to go to our final place.
We're 5 hours away from the town we're trying to get to, and we keep getting stopped with all these cool towns.
Guess what?
What?
I see a store that you would really like.
What store?
Go right, turn around, keep going.
Turn around.
Toys, and comics.
Are you kidding me? Look at this building.
We really do need to go.
Hon, it says it's open.
Crypto's Comics.
It's open.
Trying really hard to get out of this town, but every time we turn down the road to find out where we are, we find something like this.
Look at this.
Oh, this is great. They got boots.
Boots and straw. Want some straw?
Oh my gosh, look at that. Is that not amazing? See, this is what you just gotta get out. These places are amazing. Ooh, those are pretty.
Squirrel.
You know, it always happens when we go out. I get caught looking at everything.
No, you get caught looking at the pretty things.
That's right.
The cute things.
That's right. Anything else you want to say, Jim?
Yeah, I think I'm good.
Okay. Welcome to the town we got you hyped up for, Yellow Springs, Ohio, affectionately known as Hippie Town, and you know we had to come see it.
It was founded as a utopian society back in the 19th century. Today, it's got some vibrant, unique shops A bunch of artistry, that's one of the reasons we're here. Surrounded by the natural beauty of the John Bryant State Park and Glen Helen Nature Preserve. They call it Hippie Town. We're here to find out why. We think we've already figured that out though. Find something you like?
I wore things like that back in the 70s.
And you would wear it again.
Oh, in a heartbeat.
Look at this. Very funky cool. Definitely got to check this out. Yellow Springs Pottery. Of course, we get here after 5 o'clock on a July 4th. What do we expect? It's closed. And I think we got to go that way. Little fairy garden.
Oh, yeah, we do.
Got to see the fairy garden.
That's right.
Or, no, it's just advising us, wonder and wonder. And I mentioned they have objects d'art. Lots of them. Lots of wild 60s and 70s hippie colors for sure. Little fairy garden that way. Okay. Okay, here it is. It's evidently a store. It's got a great diorama we can't see though. Maybe if we went inside. Okay, it's not as open as I thought it was. Sorry. And like I said, all kinds of objects d'art. Seeing
That's
something
really,
in structure. Which one?
That's really pretty, that middle one.
That is nice. I think this is all handmade too. 30 bucks. 30 bucks. That's it? And what? What is this? It's great carving. Don't know what it is, but it kind of scares me. I'll probably be seeing this in my dreams tonight. Well, this is kind of fairy garden-ish. Oh. I like that. And they're balanced too. Look at that.
Oh.
Out of coconuts, probably.
He's a
So
pirate.
they look like they're made out of coconuts.
That
so.
is, yeah. This guy
Or-
here, look at him. His head.
That's what I'm talking about. It's like balanced, and
that's
he's got his
cool.
neck bobbing up and down. The
See if
snail's
his head-
colorful. Look at that. His head bobs.
Turtle.
Turtle, snail.
Maybe.
It is another turtle. You got it right. And that's a
Cute.
butterfly. Here's a building calling my name. No, it's closed. Yellow Springs has celebrity connections. Dave Chappelle, John Lithgow. Actually, Dave Chappelle has a store here. We're going to try to find that. When we came down the street a minute ago, there was all this activity, and all of a sudden it's gone. July 4th, evidently they're going to have some fireworks or a show somewhere. We're not there. As if the building wasn't cool enough, guess who owns it? That's right, Dave Chappelle. Smoking Octopus. Evidently it's what, smoking cigars and stuff?
It is, and accessories. He's actually from here, from what I found when I was kind of, perusing all the information on this place.
Tell you what, he scored on that building, that's for sure. Look at that.
It really is a great building. I wonder if that's original.
I don't know. I would think so.
It looks like it was a house at one time.
It looks too cool to be modern. And as impressive as Dave Chappelle's place is, look at this place. It's a restaurant, it's a bakery, it's a mercantile. You can get wine. Decked out for the 4th of July. That's amazing. I did want to check out this theater and see what kind of stuff they do here. Is it an actual theater or is it like a venue now? The Materialist looks like a band. So, but I love these old time ticket booths. This takes you back. I love those doors. What is this? Materialist. The Avengers 2012. So maybe it is a movie theater. I just love the way they put ornaments out on some of these buildings. It's just a building, but when you put like a little cover like that, it just makes it so much better.
you find anything?
Found an alley.
Oh, I know. There's a really cool alley
Lots
right
of cool
there.
alleys today.
I know. There has been.
Check this out. Right down that way.
That really is cool. You can even tell the difference. It's like 15 degrees
It is.
cooler down there.
I love the wind sail effect right here. Looks like a place you want to come eat, maybe chill, have a glass of yoo-hoo or something. This is a bus bench. Is that awesome or what? You've got to see the public bathrooms. No, you really do. The reason you have to see the public bathrooms is it's where they're housed, inside an old train depot. I know. It's cool. We actually went inside, checked it out. We thought, what is this? It is actually the Yellow Springs public restrooms. Lots of creativity in this town. Waste not, want not. Gotta say it's not that big a town, but it's definitely got a vibe. You'll enjoy this place. And I said Yellow Springs had some celebrity connections. One of the ones we have not talked about is Coretta Scott King. Actually graduated from Antioch College. Just thought you might want to know. Something interesting happening. We've found some people walking with chairs going somewhere, so we're going to kind of follow and see what's going on. We want to make sure we don't miss anything. Gotta get this on the way down there, wherever we're going. I guess this is it. A bunch of people sitting out here. I guess they're waiting for either a fireworks show or a concert. I would think a fireworks show, because I don't see a stage. And there we go. History solved.
For those of you that like art as much as Jim and I do, this kind of caught our eye. This actually is a walking trail that goes, wow, it goes way far. We don't exactly know how long it does. There's one that's actually 10 miles here. Then there's one I think that is 1 mile. But isn't that pretty? I'll just kind of sit here for a minute and let you all kind of look at that. You can hear the birds in the background too. So we're back on the trail for you all that just kind of like to watch the world go by. And then we came up upon this. A guy with a cat on his back.
And a dog.
Raccoon and a baby. And a dog. Yeah, there's a lot in there. Looks like he's got some books in his bag. And we'll just continue on down. Man, what a beautiful place.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed coming along with us, hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Hello, just sitting here is kind of hard to bear. Click the notifications bell and you'll know when we publish new content. And don't be a stranger, we've got over 100 video adventures to choose from. Tell your friends about us. And remember, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp. Oh, look at the stuff you find when you don't know what you're looking for. Oh, man, this is beautiful. A whole street just outside of Cincinnati. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Amazing. Row